and you'll see iOS 26.4 Beta 1. So if you want a collection, you can simply download it. This helps ambient music. Here you can add sounds like sleep, chill, productivity. Always, the device cannot be unlocked even if someone knows your passcode. It will require biometric authentication. Like, notice how the album artwork blends across the entire screen. It looks immersive, modern, and really. Hi friends! Welcome to Pre-Dev Tech. Apple has just released iOS 26.4 Beta 1, and it includes some hidden but important features. Let me show you. To update, go to Settings, General, Software Update. Make sure Developer Beta is turned on. Refresh the page and you'll see iOS 26.4 Beta 1, about 7.45 gigabytes. Yes, it's a big update. Tap Install and you're good to go. First, you'll notice an important change in wallpapers. Just go to Settings, then Wallpaper. You'll see collections like Astronomy, Kaleidoscope, Unity, Pride, and Colors. They are not pre-installed anymore. Instead, you'll see a Get option. So if you want a collection, you can simply download it. Save storage space on your iPhone. Smart and practical. Next, you'll notice some changes in the App Store. Open the App Store, then tap your account icon in the top right corner. You'll now see options like Add Money, Redeem Code, and Send Gift, with icons on top and labels below. Compared to iOS 26.3, it looks cleaner and much easier to navigate. You'll notice the same design style in the Music app, but with Apple's signature red accent. Next, one of the best hidden features. You can now add ambient music to both the control center and your widgets. Just long press the control center, tap Add Control, and you'll see a new section, Ambient Music. Here you can add sounds like sleep, chill, productivity, and well-being, perfect for any mood or focus mode. Let's add sleep, and you can hear it playing right away. You can also add it as a widget. Long press the home screen, tap Edit, add a widget, and search for ambient music. You'll find the same options: sleep, chill, productivity, and more. How cool is that? Now you can set the sound to match your mood, anytime. Next, a big improvement in security: stolen device protection. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and scroll to the bottom. You'll see Stolen Device Protection is now turned on by default. When you try to turn it off, you'll notice some important options. There is a setting called Security Delay. If you set it to Always, the device cannot be unlocked even if someone knows your passcode. It will require biometric authentication like Face ID or fingerprint. Even you can't disable it immediately. There is a 1-hour security delay before changes can be made. This makes your iPhone much harder to misuse if stolen. a strong and very welcome security upgrade. You can read more about this feature right here. Next, there are some changes in the Music app. You can now see playlist backgrounds in full screen. Let me open a playlist. Notice how the album artwork blends across the entire screen. It looks immersive, modern, and really useful while browsing music. Now here's another hidden feature. You can turn on or off web search access for photos from iCloud.com. Just search for iCloud in Settings, then scroll to the bottom. From here, you can control data access and toggle it on or off. Another small change, but a meaningful improvement for privacy and control. Next, there are some updates in Freeform. You'll notice a new banner along with improvements like better content organization, attached content support, more flexible layouts, and improved table styling. These changes make Freeform more powerful for planning and visual collaboration. And here's another useful update. In the Podcasts app, you can now turn video playback on or off. So you can choose audio only or audio with video, depending on how you prefer to listen. Alright, that wraps up the new features in iOS 26.4 Beta 1. Which feature did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more iOS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.